the 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, rain sensing wipers, blind spot sensor, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.